Hello and welcome to the MSTAR training session for returning a media once it has been issued to an employee or a student using his or her OMB card. Let us see the steps to do the same. Click on button MSTAR and select Module Library. The name of the module appears on the main screen, which means that you're now working in the library module. Click on button Activities and select the screen Issue Return Book. As the screen opens, it asks for selecting the correct library for which issue and return needs to be done. Click on the box and select the library in which the issue return needs to be done. And click on button Go. The name of the library appears on the main screen. This is the same screen which is used for issue and the same screen is used for returning of book as well. As the screen opens, insert the OMB card of the user where the return of the book needs to be entered, and after inserting the card, click on the button Read OMB card. As you click on the Read OMB card, it reads the details of the user whose card is inserted. Now, to return the book, click on the option next to the text Return. After that, select the media category and then click on the box next to the school accession number. It will now display the list of all the books as per the media category which are already issued to the employee or the student. Click on the accession number and it will display the details of the media in the section Issue Return History. In case you want to simply return this book from this user, click on button Save. And the data saving or data updation message is received. Click OK on the same and the book is now returned from the user. You can again check it by reselecting the media category and checking whether the accession number has any list of books available. Since the school accession number box is showing us blank, which means that for this media category, the user does not have any book issued. So this is the process to return a book, and the process remains same for all users. That is, for both employees and students, the book is returned using the same steps. Click on the Clear button, insert the OMB card of another employee or student and return the book by repeating these steps. The book return is also an OMB card dependent activity and the employee or the student card has to be available for returning the book through the screen. The screen also has another functionality to reissue a book which is already issued to an employee or a student. For that, let us again insert an employee's or a student OMB card to whom the book needs to be issued. Click on the Read OMB card button and as it reads the OMB card of the employee and displays the details, to reissue a book, you need to first return the book. Therefore, click on the option Return, select the media category, select the accession number, and it will then display the details of the media in the section Issue Return History for the media. It is also showing the details of the book in the screen, and it is also showing us the date of return by rule, that is, as per the library rule, what is the last day of the book return, and the default date of today is shown as the actual date of return. If the book has been overdue beyond the number of days valid for the employee or the student, then it will also auto calculate the fine and the number of days by which the book is late. Now, if you want to reissue this book, simply click on the button Reissue and the data is updated successfully. Click OK on the confirmation message. Click OK on the confirmation message again and the book is now reissued to the employee. Click on the Clear button and repeat these steps to return the book or reissue a book to other users. In this screen, we will see the school accession number showing only those accession numbers which have been issued to the employee and therefore are returnable. If no book has been issued to the user, then no media will appear for return. Based on the issue and return of the media to a user, the status of the media gets updated for employee and student specific screens. Thank you for watching this video.